Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add tags in CapCut apps. Alright, so you can open the CapCut apps and tap on the project. Select videos or photos you like to edit. For instance, I'm just going to open my project. So to add tags, it's super simple. You can find the tags button, just click on it. So you can select add tags. Just type for tags. You can resize and change for the position, and then you can change for the font style, and then change for the font color, add effect, edit animation, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.